Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Pathway Channel. I'm Lita.
And I'm Smith. Today, we're going to talk about money in English.
Yes, money is something we all use every day, but sometimes it's not easy to talk about.
Exactly. So in today's episode, we'll help you learn easy English phrases to talk about money, saving, and budgeting.
And of course, we'll share some smart tips to help you save and use your money wisely. How people spend money, daily expenses, and simple ways to talk about spending. Smith, what do you usually spend your money on every week?
Probably food, coffee, and transportation. I spend about $10 a day on food.
Oh, wow, that's a lot. I try to cook at home. Cooking helps me save money.
That's true. Let's teach our listeners some useful words. Spend money on something, save money for something, waste money on something.
Right. For example, I spend money on coffee. Or I save money for my vacation.
Good one. Lita, do you ever waste money?
Yes, I sometimes buy clothes I don't need. That's wasting money.
I think we all do that sometimes. How to save money wisely. Let's talk about saving money. What's one smart way to save, Lita?
I always set a goal. For example, I want to save $200 in 1 month. Having a goal keeps me motivated.
Good idea. I use a money app on my phone. It helps me see how much I spend.
That's helpful. Let's share some useful words. Set a goal, put money aside, cut down on expenses, on a tight budget.
Here's an example. I'm on a tight budget this month, so I'm not eating out.
Or, I cut down on shopping to save more.
Saving money doesn't mean no fun. It means smart choices.
Teaching listeners to make a budget using easy English. So Smith, do you make a monthly budget?
Yes, I do. I write down my income and my expenses. It helps me understand where my money goes.
That's great. Let's show a simple example. If you earn $1,000 per month, $500 for needs, food, rent, bills, $300 for wants, entertainment, shopping, $200 for savings.
That's a simple 50-30-20 rule.
Exactly. And here are some easy English phrases for budgeting. I keep track of my spending. My biggest expense is rent. I plan my budget every month.
You can use a notebook or your phone. Just write it down. How to manage money with discipline and avoid bad habits. Now, let's talk about smart habits. How do you control your spending, Lita?
I always ask myself before buying, do I really need this?
That's smart. I try to pay with cash instead of card. It helps me feel the money leaving my wallet.
Good tip. Here are some money idioms. Save for a rainy day mean save money for future problems. Money doesn't grow on tree mean money is not easy to get. Live within your means mean don't spend more than you earn.
Let's use them in sentences. I save for a rainy day because I never know what will happen. You should live within your means to stay debt-free.
Okay, everyone. Let's review what we learned today.
We talked about spending, saving, and budgeting.
Let's repeat some useful phrases. I spend money on food. I save money for travel. I cut down on shopping. I keep track of my expenses.
And don't forget the idioms. Save for a rainy day. Money doesn't grow on trees.
If you practice these phrases, you'll sound more natural when talking about money.
Thanks for listening to English Pathway Podcast.
See you next time, and remember, save smart and speak English every day.
Vocabulary list. Meaning. Save money. Keep money for the future. Spend money. Use money to buy something. Budget. A plan for spending and saving. Expenses. Money you spend. Income. Money you earn. Cut down on. Reduce. Put money aside. Save for later. On a tight budget. Have little money. Track spending. Check how much you spend.
Thanks for watching this video. Please help like and subscribe English Pathway channel for more video.